Namo Namaha. On this Shivaratri, let us try to understand Shiva through his various names. In this video, I will also briefly talk about Shaiva Darshana, which is a school of philosophy, and it is going to be very interesting. The Amarakosha mentions 52 names of Shiva, which goes like this. Shambhu Rishav Pashupati Shiva Shuli Maheshwara Ishwara Sharva Ishana Shankara Chandrasekhara Bhuteshah Khanda Parashur Girisho Girisho Mrida Mrityunjayah Krittivasaf Pinaki Pramathadhipa Ugrah Kapardi Shrikantha Shitikantha Kapalabhrit Vamadevo Mahadevo Virupakshastrilochana Krishanureta Sarvagno Dhurjatirneelallohita Harasmara Haro Bhargastrambakastripurantaka Gangadharondhakaripuh Kratudvamsi Vrishadhvaja Vyomakesho Bhavo Bhimasthanu Rudra Umapati Ahirbudhnyoshtamurtischa Gajarishcha Mahanata. His 1000 names are found in the Anushasana Parva of Mahabharata. In this video, we shall see few of his names and understand their meaning. I will start first with the name Shiva itself. Shiva is another name of the Supreme Brahman itself. Sherate avatishtanti asmin iti Shivaha, which means one in whom everything sleeps or resides is Shiva. Everything resides in him because he is the ultimate Supreme Brahman. Another way of interpreting the word Shiva is Shyati Ashubham iti Shiva, meaning one who destroys the inauspiciousness is Shiva. It is also said like this, Shyati Papam iti Shiva, one who destroys sins is Shiva. Also, another etymology of Shiva is Shivam Kalyanam Vidyate Asya iti Shiva. In Sanskritam, Shiva means Kalyanam, Mangalam, meaning auspicious. Auspicious is that which brings positivity. Shreyaskarat Shivaha is another etymology of Shiva. It means he is called Shiva because he does good. He is supreme bliss. Another name of Shiva is Shambhu. It means Sham Bhavati Asmat iti Shambhu. Again here Sham means Mangalam, auspicious. Because of him good things happen. So he is called Shambhu. Another name of Shiva with a meaning closer to this is Shankaraha. Sham karoti iti Shankaraha. As mentioned before, Sham means Mangalam, good. So one who does good, one who does auspiciousness or one who bestows auspiciousness is Shankaraha. If you see here, Shivaha, Shankaraha, Shambhuhu all say that he is the bestower of auspiciousness. Generally, in the Sanatana Dharma, we say Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the protector and Shiva is the destroyer. Now you might be wondering why the god of destruction is again and again called auspicious. Now after looking at the meaning of his names, it might have become more clearer to you that he destroys the inauspicious, the negativity. Shyati Ashubham iti Shivaha, and he bestows us with goodness. Shreyaskaratvat Shivaha. Another name of Shiva which gives a similar meaning is Sharvaha. Please note, it is not Sarvaha, it is Sharvaha. This word is from the root word Shru, which means to break or destroy. What does Shiva break or destroy? Shrinati, Samharati, Bhaktanam Papani iti Sharvaha. He destroys the sins of his devotees. Also another way of interpreting the name Sharvaha is Shrinati Samharati Pralaye iti Sharvaha, meaning he destroys during the time of Pralaya, that is during the time of dissolution. Next, let us take up the word Ishaha. Ishte iti Ishaha. Ishte means to rule. It is from the root word Ish. Lord Shiva rules the world, so he is called Ishaha. Another name of Shiva is Ishanaha, which is also from the root word Ish, which means to rule. His other name, Ishwaraha, is also from the same root word Ish, which means to rule. And similar to these names is the name Maheshwaraha, which means Mahancha Asau Ishwaraha, meaning he is great and also the Lord, the ruler. And another name of Shiva is Parameshwaraha, meaning he is the Supreme Lord. Then we have two interesting names of Lord Shiva which look very similar. Girishaha and Girishaha. In the first name, the Ra has a Hrasva E, that is the short E attached to it. In the second name, the Ra has a Dirgha E, that is long E attached to it. The second name, Girishaha, is a common name for boys in India. Girishaha means Girehe Ishaha, meaning the Lord of the mountains. Girishaha can be interpreted as Girau Shete Iti, meaning one who sleeps or resides in the mountain. We all know that the Kailasa mountain is the place of residence of Lord Shiva, hence this name. Another interesting name of Shiva is Vyomakeshaha. Vyomaha eva keshaha yasya viratamurtitvat asya tathatvam. In Sanskritam, Vyoma means ether, space, sky, all this. And Keshaha means hair. One whose hair is the space is Vyomakesha. Virata Murtitvat, he is named Vyomakesha because of his Virata Rupa, meaning because of his all-pervasive form. He is so huge and all-pervading that the sky or ether is his hair. I think you are getting some kind of a picture. It is a way to visualize the Supreme. There is another interesting name of Lord Shiva which is Hara. This is an extremely popular name of Shiva and we keep using it because in every temple you will hear people saying Hara Hara Mahadev. Now let us look at the meaning of this word Hara. Hara is from the root word Hr, which means to take away. Harati Agham iti Haraha. Agham means pain or sin. So one who takes away the pain or sin is Hara. Then another name of Shiva is Bhavaha. Bhavatyasmat iti Bhavaha, meaning from him everything comes into existence. So Shiva is that supreme reality from which everything comes into existence and into which everything dissolves later. Conceptually, Shiva is time, Kala, and he is also Mahakala, that which was before the being and that which will stay on after the beings disintegrate. Shiva is also the substratum or base of existence and that is why he is also called Sthanuhu. Tishtati iti Sthanuhu. That which stays is Sthanu. The base remains the same but the superficial layer keeps changing. And finally, we shall take up this name Pashupati. This is a very popular name of Shiva. The Pashupatinath temple in Nepal, which is a very holy place for Hindus, is a temple of Lord Shiva and his name there is Pashupati. First, let us see what this name means. Pashunam Patihi iti Pashupatihi. Pashu is a creature and Patihi means Lord. So Pashunam Patihi means the Lord of all creatures. There is a school of philosophy called Shaiva Darshanam or Shaivism in English. We have various schools of philosophy in India like the Advaita school of philosophy, the Dvaita school, etc. Shaiva school of philosophy is called Shaiva Darshanam. The thought process of this school of philosophy is very interesting. In this school of thought, the three main padarthas or three main categories are Patihi, Pashuhu and Pasha. In Shaiva Darshanam, Shiva is obviously considered as the supreme and he is called Patihi. Pati, Rakshati, Palayati iti Patihi, meaning one who protects, one who takes care is the Pati. In Shaiva Darshanam, Shiva is the Pati. All the living and non-living things are the Pashu. And Pasha is that which binds or that which keeps us tied up. Pashyate, Badhyate, Anena iti Pashaha. Pasha limits the soul and makes it feel that it is separate from Shiva. The three main Pashas are Mala, Karma and Maya. Mala is also called Anava Mala, which is similar to the concept of Avidya in Advaita Vedanta. It is an ignorance at a very subtle level. In Shaivism, this Anava Mala can be removed only by the grace of Shiva. The concept of karma and maya is also similar to that of the philosophy of Advaita, but there are some small differences. After the removal of the Pasha, the soul becomes one with Shiva. This is the core philosophy of Shaiva Darshanam or Shaivism. Let me know if you are all interested to know more about the philosophy of Shaivism. I will make a separate video on that. This video was a small attempt to understand the vast Shiva. He is actually very difficult to understand. Yogis have spent years together in meditation to understand him and experience him. He is the ultimate reality, the Supreme Lord Parameshwara. He is time, Kala, and also eternity, Mahakala. He is the base of this existence, Sthanu. He is the one from whom everything came into existence and also into whom everything will dissolve. I will end this video with the 8th shloka from Vedasara Shivastava written by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. It is a beautiful shloka. I will tell the meaning also. Namaste, Namaste, Vibho Vishwamurte. Namaste, Namaste, Chidananda Murte. Namaste, Namaste, Tapo Yoga Gamya. Namaste, Namaste, Shruti Jnana Gamya. The meaning of this verse is Namaste, Namaste. Salutations, salutations to Vibho Vishwamurte. Vibhu means one who is omnipresent, all-pervading. Salutations to Vishwamurti, meaning one whose form is the whole universe. Then Namaste, Namaste, Chidananda Murte, meaning salutations to you who is an embodiment of bliss. Namaste, Namaste, Tapo Yoga Gamya, meaning salutations to you who is attained by tapas, penance and yoga. Namaste, Namaste, Shruti Jnana Gamya, meaning salutations to you who is attained by the knowledge of the Vedas. I hope you liked this video and got some value out of it. If you did, then please type Om Namah Shivaya in the comments. Also, please do subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss any such interesting videos. And do share this with your friends and family. Agrimachitre Melitasmi Namo Vaha.